everyone and welcome back to CodeChef. In today's video, we are learning one of the most unique and beginner-friendly looping structure in C++, that is the do-while loop. Unlike other loops, this loop guarantees that it will run the body of the loop at least once, no matter what the condition is. Let us break it down with simple examples and understand why do-while loop is so useful. What is a do-while loop? The do-while loop is similar to a while loop but with one key difference. In a do-while loop, the condition is checked after the loop body executes. This means that the loop will always run once, even if the condition is false from the beginning. Its syntax is do, then the code which will be executed is written inside the curly braces, and then while in bracket condition and then semicolon. So this is how a basic do-while loop executes. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform to see how it works. Here the program objective is counting down from user input to 1. That means whatever number is given in the user input, from that number all the numbers will be printed till 1 in decreasing order. For example, if we write 6 in input, in the output we should get countdown begins : 6 5 4 3 2 1 blast off and exclamation mark. Coming to the code, hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon, then int main. Now inside curly brace we have int number semicolon, then cin extraction operator number semicolon. That means we have to give the value for this variable number in the user input, which we have decided to be 6. Then cout in double inverted commas, countdown begins : /n for new line. Then we have the do while statement. Now inside do curly brace, cout extraction operator value of variable number will be printed, extraction operator endl semicolon, then number minus semicolon. That means whatever is the value of number given by the user, it will be reduced by 1. And then bracket close, then while number is greater than or equal to 1. So at first the compiler will print the value of this variable number and will increase the value of variable number by 1 after that. Then it will check the condition, which is number greater than or equal to 1. So this particular piece of code will keep on executing till the value of number is reduced to 1, which is decremented after each iteration. Then cout in double inverted commas, blast off exclamation mark and semicolon, return 0 semicolon, and the main function ends here. So here we have written 6 in the user input. Now let us run the program. Countdown begins : 6 5 4 3 2 1 blast off exclamation mark. So we have got exactly similar output as per the program objective. Input validation using do-while loop in C++. Input validation means ensuring the user provides a valid value before moving forward. This is one of the best use cases for a do-while loop because first, the prompt must display at least once. Second, the user may enter incorrect input. And third, we keep looping until valid input is entered by the user. For example, suppose we want the user to enter a positive number. Now if they enter 0 or negative value, we should ask them to enter the value again. A do-while loop is perfect for this because it ensures the user keeps getting the prompt until they give a valid value. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform to see how input validation works using do-while loop in C++. The program objective is month number validator. So in this example, we are going to use a do-while loop to repeatedly prompt the user until he enters a valid month number that is between 1 and 12. Since we have total 12 months in a year. Here in the input, let's say if we input 15, then the output should be invalid month, please try again. Or if we type 0, then again it will show the prompt invalid month, please try again. But if we input any value between 1 to 12 like 10, then it will show month number accepted : 10. Coming to the code, hash include IOStream using namespace std semicolon, then int main, then inside curly brace int month semicolon, then do. Inside the curly brace we have cin extraction operator month semicolon. So first we have to give user input, that is the month number, as value of variable month. Then if month is less than 1 or month is greater than 12, then what will happen? Cout in double inverted commas invalid month, please try again, and then /n for new line semicolon. That means if the value of variable month is not between 1 to 12, then the system should show prompt to the user invalid month, please try again. Then bracket close for the if block and bracket close for the do block. Then while month is less than 1 or month is greater than 12, semicolon. It means this condition will keep on repeating if the user input is invalid. And then cout in double inverted commas month number accepted : then the value of variable month, which has to be between 1 to 12, semicolon. So in case the condition of having the value of variable month between 1 to 12 is false, then this block of code will execute. But in case the value of variable month is valid, then this piece of code will run. Return 0, semicolon, and the main function ends here. Now we have given some values as user input for the variable month. Let us run the program to see the output. For 15 and 0, we have got prompt invalid month, exclamation mark, please try again. And for 10, we have got month number accepted : 10. And that's the complete overview of the do while loop in C++. Now you understand how it works, why it's different from other loops, and where it is best used. Do not forget to practice using these loops on the CodeChef platform. Thank you so much for watching.